In this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at the Olight O Pen Pro, which is a 3-in-1 tool which includes a pen for writing, a light that can be used for reading and writing, and a green laser which is really useful for pointing. Also, Olight's January sale is now live and will continue through January 14th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. There are some great deals on O Pens, the Balder S, the Baton 3 Silver, and there's some interesting mega packs as well. The O Pen Pro comes in a plastic case with a spare ink refill cartridge for the pen and a USB-C cable for charging that wraps around the case. The O Pen Pro weighs about 34 grams or 1.2 ounces, and the barrel is made from aluminum alloy and has a smooth L-type bolt-style button which you can use to extend and retract the tip of the pen, but it can also be used to activate the light. On the end there's a bit of Olight branding and the model info as well. And there's also a pocket clip with a built-in high-performance white LED with a 5700K color temperature and a green laser emitter as well. There's a built-in 110 mAh LiPo battery, and there's a USB-C input for charging, and it can fully charge in about 55 minutes. Next to the USB-C port, there's a small button which you can use to turn the light on and off and cycle through the different output modes, and also turn on and off the laser pointer. The UI is really simple. To turn the light on or off, just click the switch upwards. When the light is on, you can hold the button to cycle through the different output modes. When the light is off, press and hold to turn on the laser pointer and press again to turn it off. Here's a look at the green laser pointer, which has a single output mode. I couldn't find any specs about the laser, but it seems to be slightly weaker than some of the other green lasers that I've tested from Olight, including the one from the Balder Pro and the Odin GLM. However, it's still pretty bright and certainly useful and highly visible indoors in close quarter settings in both night and day, and it does pretty well at mid-range distance too. The auxiliary white light can be used while it's attached to the pen, or it can be disconnected and placed in a more optimal position. The high mode is actually pretty bright with a max output of 120 lumens and a runtime of 23 minutes. The beam angle is very wide and the tint is comfortable and easy to look at. Here's a look at how the 4 different output modes compare. There's also a medium mode with a 60 lumen output and a 45-minute runtime, a low mode with a 20 lumen output and a 2-hour runtime, and also there's a moonlight mode with 5 lumens and a max runtime of 8 hours. There's more info along with a link in the description below in case you want to pick one up. Let me know your thoughts on the O Pen Pro in the comments, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.